Tell you what, I go to a lot of truck shows, a lot of car shows. I ain't never seen no damn snap-on dealer at one.
So, SP Tools USA is going to donate a 128-inch USA Sumo Series Complete workstation, green and black. This is a $13,000 toolbox that just got added. That day, secured a $10,000 bill.
It's for a good cause.
Go on, go on.
All right.
This is awesome. This is awesome.
So a quick run. To a welding helmet, Craig's Battle Bama hat, a Battle Bama shirt, banner, and skate bag, the Cooler scooter, a custom Power Wheels, #1 registration for Battle Bama 2025, 2 registrations to Lakeside Showdown, rolling concepts and drawing of your vehicle, and a 128-inch workstation toolbox from SP Tools. I think that's everything. That being said, the new bid, I don't know about that. Oh yeah, the speaker box, the MCI subwoofer. And just so you know, the bid right now that started with the signed hat from Craig Rowley is now $15,000.
You went over and above, sir.
That's a nice hat, Lee.
That is a nice hat.
You went over and above.
Who's got that? All right. The bid right now for everything that you've heard us talk about is $15,000. It was battled between 2 individuals. I think Jim is sitting with one. I think he's trying to schmooze some more. Jim, I see you back there schmoozing. You got about 30 seconds, brother. Held a toolbox alone is 13. But the hat is where it's at.
I need a hat. I need a hat.
Jim says they're out.
I need a hat.
Jim says they're out.
They're out.
$15,000, sir.